Hello everyone. So in this part of the ADK tutorial, I'll be demonstrating a very interesting agent, which is like AI code review assistant with Google ADK. So it is an agent which will be able to review the code and analyze the report for it and provide uh, an overall score of how the code is, something of this sort. So I have given a simple DFS code over here, and it it is able to identify the summary for it. So we will go into much more details about this, but first I'll explain what this code lab is about. So yeah, these are some of the initial steps about setting up the code lab and everything, running your first agent, which I have previously explained in my video. So I'll just directly jump into building a pipeline multi-agent working together. In our case, it will be the code analyzer, the style checker, the test runner, and the feedback, all of them running together to provide a feedback for the uh, code that we have given, and then generate the summary as I previously was showing you. So yeah, these are the four agents running simultaneously: the code analyzer, the style checker, the test runner, and the feedback synthesizer, also called as the sequential agent or the sub agents running parallelly. And based on the score that they give, our code is being evaluated. I can show you right over here. This is the main ADK code review assistant, and inside that we have the ADK review assistant, and there are sub agents. This is the fix pipeline, which has the code fixer, code synthesizer, test runner, and validator that we just saw over here. So as the name suggests, it each and every agent has its own task. It is, as you can see, it has a asynchronous function defined over here, which states that code fixer instruction provider. So dynamic instruction provider that instructs the agent to output raw code only. So similarly, it has all the tasks that it has to do: analyze the results, and based on the test result, identify and fix all the issues. As the name suggests, it is a code fixer, so its role is mainly into generating the fixes and identifying that. Now, synthesizer, as the name suggests, it generates user-friendly fix summary, as you can see right over here. Yeah, test results, what is the compliance, and all those things. So these agents run parallelly with each another, and then this is the main agent engine from where it is invoked. And yeah, this is also the review pipeline. Final, this will be much more clear if I show you this architecture right over here. Yeah. So they run parallelly and provide the feedback for that. As you can see, code analyzer passes the structure, style checker, test runner, and the feedback synthesizer. They are uh, they provide the output of one to the next, and that's how they uh, work asynchronously with each another. Now let's directly jump to how this agent is actually working. So I have this production running right over here. It is deployed in the production. So I've given this small code block right over here. As you can see that the set of events that takes place, first it is transferred to the agent, and as you can see, transferred to the agent, and then after transferring to the agent, the next set of event that takes place is basically they analyze the code structure, and then again transfer to the agent. again analyze the code structure. So this is what it analyzed. It gave the summary of the code structure, functions found. As you can see that there is only one function. So key structural observation, what the code is about, DFS search, then how many argument it takes, and as there are no syntax error detected, it shows that way. So as you can see that how properly it has structured everything. Now then it checks the code style. Again, it transfers to the agent and analyze the code structure, and it has given these things. Okay. Now this is very interesting part about this agent. It checks the code style, as you can see, and then it gives that what is overall style, issues with the styling, good style with minor improvement needed. So such nitty-gritty details are also caught by this agent right over here. And then it finally gives the summary of the code structure. The code defines a single that we previously saw. What is the overall thing? So yeah, this is the most interesting thing. It gives the overall summary and gives that the overall organization is clean and logical, what are the parts that can be improved, and the code quality analysis, a detailed test report for everything. So just for the small code block, it has given so many details, and uh, even the next steps and encouragement. So uh, these are the set of tasks. This is a same grading report that it has given. So yeah, this is it for this part for the code review agent. Uh, Thank you.